Still coding in boring editors? Let me show you how to install Cursor. Now, the AI-powered code editor that is making developers insanely productive. First, open your browser and search for Cursor, or simply go to cursor.com. Open the website, click on the download button on the top right corner. Cursor will then automatically detect your operating system. In my case, I'm using a Mac, so it downloads the Mac version automatically. Just wait for a few seconds for the download to finish. Once the download is done, open the downloaded file. You'll see the Cursor icon and the application folder. Simply drag Cursor into Applications, and that's it. Installation done. Now, open the Launchpad or Applications and click on Cursor to launch it for the first time. Cursor will now ask you to sign in. You can continue using your Google account or GitHub account, whichever you prefer. I'll use Google here because it's the fastest option. Complete the sign-in process, and once verification is done, Cursor will automatically log you in. Cursor also gives you the option to connect GitHub. This is useful because Cursor can understand your repositories, helped with coding, debugging, and even writing features faster. So I definitely recommend connecting it. And boom, Cursor is now successfully installed. Once the verification process is over, it would ask you set up the Cursor account. For now, let's just go with free plan. And boom, Cursor is now successfully installed. This is the main interface where you can create projects or write code or use AI directly inside your editor. What makes Cursor special is that it's not just a code editor. It's basically an AI coding assistant built into VS Code. You can ask it to generate code, explain errors, debug issues, and even build features for you. You can even change the theme. I'm comfortable with dark mode, so I'll go with the dark mode. There are several other features like skills you can integrate with your Slack or Jira or, Figma if you have it handy. Maybe in the next set of videos, I'll teach you how to do that. If this helped you, hit the like button and subscribe because I'll be posting more beginner-friendly AI and coding tutorials like this. And in the next video, I'll show you how to build your first project using Cursor.